Okay, so we're taking a look at in-state tuition rates versus out-of-state tuition rates. We can look at 2010, 2011 in-state tuition rates only because if you pick out-of-state, you can tell there is no data for out-of-state for 2010, 2011. Okay, so I want to format these cells, number format, and I can go in and do currency, because they are currency. Choose OK. I can do the same thing for each of these. I'm not sure why it didn't do it for all. I'll check that out later. Then I can do sum of room, and you can go in and show value as % of grand total. Whoops, doesn't show anything in the zeros. Let's go down and see if we can find oh, I'm sorry, we have all of the in-state for 2011. So let's choose all. And so it'll show Arizona as 2.26% of the sum of all of the room and board. Okay, so we can take a look at maybe we want to, you can make all of these smaller, larger. We can take public and private out, put them up top. Right now we have both. I don't think that's very intuitive. Take it back down. We can remove it from the category, and then we can insert a slicer to make it a little more usable. So if we want to look at all in-state private data by state, and then we want to sort from smallest to largest. So the sum of all in-state private colleges for Idaho is the least expensive for total tuition. Okay, let's add a value, and let me get this back. Let's do total, and let's put that over here in the sum, and let's do average, or let's not, so that Wyoming doesn't come up strange. Just do some. And we will choose just 2010, 2011. And then we're going to, do a top 10. So we're going to go to row labels. Let's change this first. Instead of row labels, let's choose state or jurisdiction, so that we know what we're looking at. Then we're going to do a value filter, and we're going to do a top 10, and top 10 items on the sum, and see what the top 10 are. So New Hampshire is the lowest of the top 10. Massachusetts is the most expensive of the top 10 for 2010, 2011, with required fees, room and board. Let's change the value of this.